In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on Binance. It's going to be a full guide video, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your Binance. If you love to get the USDT, what you need to do, click on this first option, the add. So at first, I think you can be able to ask your friends or your family to send you USDT on your Binance. So that is the first way, that is through the Binance Pay. The second way, you can buy it, I think, through your card and through your transfer, right? That is through the USD. Then the third way is buying through the P2P trading. So, but let's say if you have a crypto, if you have like, let me say one SOL here on your Binance, and you love to buy the USDT, and you don't know what to do, what you're going to do now, click on this trade, click on this convert. So let's say if you have Solana, let me say like one SOL, and you love to buy USDT, so select it, come on here, type in USDT. Let me say if you want to buy, let me say like 50. So you can see it's just cost 0.2 SOL. So from this option, if you have Solana, you can be able to come on here and buy it with this option. So this is how I can do this. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.